if you do not like barf, or are squeamish to barf, or hairballs, I suggest you look away. One of the cats has left a surprise. Oh my. And, all out of breath, I just, like, bolted up the steps. But, I figured, why not make a vacuum video? Because I haven't made a vacuum video in a while. In fact, I forget the last marathon. I'll have to go back and look. But it's been a minute. For those of you who do not know, once a month, we do have a guy who comes and cleans our house. So I don't get to vacuum as much anymore. And also because I work a full-time job at Complete, I'm often home in the late-ish evening, around between 6 and occasionally 8 o'clock, depending on the route and how tall the grass is. But we have reached a point now where the grass, it is getting really hot, and it's not raining as much, so the grass is not growing as fast. So I've been getting home around 6 or 7 o'clock, again, depending on traffic and the route. So, I just don't feel like vacuuming when I get home. I just want to relax in the basement, so that's what I do. So I don't get to make as vacuum videos like I used to, can't talk. And also, since we moved, there's less carpet to vacuum. And you may remember in the old house, I had the basement, which was a lot of carpet. And we didn't have the basement cleaned as much. Just the bathroom, I took care of it, which is why I made as many vacuum videos as I did. And there for a while, we didn't have a cleaning guy. But we do now, and it helps my parents out, which is nice. He comes once a month and does a really good job. But every so often, a cat irps. Like this situation. And on occasion, I do vacuum my basement because it does get messy sometimes. I am a messy person, what can I say? Which is kind of funny because considering I do have a little OCD and my ADHD and my Asperger's, I would be more neat. Oh no, I get very messy very quickly. So, we're going to make a return of vacuum cam. You've seen drum cam. It's time for vacuum cam. And by the way, you guys, if I can find it in the right pocket. Oh, did I take it out? I took it out. I got new GoPro batteries. I got 3 new batteries. So we'll see how these do. And the fourth one, which is in here now, is the one that's not holding a charge as well. So we'll use it on occasion. But I got 3 new batteries. We'll see how they do. Especially with the long cutting videos now coming up. Ugh. Okay. So, for this vacuum video, we are going to feature the Sanitaire SC679j with the 5 amp motor, shakeout bag, and Viper Groomer 2 brush roll. Now, you may notice that my SC679j has a little modifications to it. There's an explanation. The plastic pieces broke off. And now a lot of people are saying, well, why don't you go fix it? The thought has occurred, believe me, it has. I have gotten the one piece fixed, which is actually still coming in handy, but then the bottom plastic piece broke. So I just decided to jerry-rig a modification. And to be honest, it works so well, I just decided to leave it as is. I kind of like it. So my little redneck ingenuity is working. You know, a little... I just find it fun. But I have thought about taking it up and getting it fixed, but I don't know. We'll see. But it still works great. So, okay. Okay, well, here we go. You may want to adjust your volume accordingly, because I don't know how bad it's going to vibrate. parents' bedroom done. Oh wait, I didn't do the clothes closet. Not done. Hold up. Take 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay. Wow, it is remarkably cold in here. See the windows. Okay. Now that's done. Okay. On to the next one. Which is the guest room. That was my brother's room when he comes home from Colorado. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. There's part 1. So that was the Sanitaire SC679j. Still running like a boss. This thing is almost 10 years old. So I ordered it back in late 2015, I believe. Either 2015 or 16. But I think it was December of 2015. So